welcome to True North Insurance Guide, your go-to source for tips on auto and home insurance in Canada. I'm Charles, your insurance advisor, and my goal is simple: to help you understand, save, and make smart decisions about protecting what matters most. Whether you're buying your first car, shopping for a better home insurance policy, or just looking for tips to save money, then you need to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so that you don't miss our amazing content.
Car insurance, the thing we pay for and hope to never use. But when life decides to throw a surprise fender bender your way, you got to know what to do. Today, we're breaking down how to make a car insurance claim in Canada, step by step, with just the right amount of humour to keep you from losing your mind. Ha ha ha! So, let's turn on the ignition. Step 1. Ensure safety first. Before you start panicking or dramatically narrating your life story on social media, make sure everyone is safe. Move to a safe location if possible. Turn on your hazard lights and check if anyone needs medical help. Step 2. Gather evidence like a private investigator. Time to channel your inner detective. Snap photos of the damage, the license plates, the accident location, and any relevant road signs. And for the love of all things Canadian, don't forget to exchange information with the other driver. Step 3. Report the accident. If the damage looks expensive, think,
"There goes my vacation money."
expensive, you may need to report it to the police. In most provinces, if the damage is over $2,000 or there are injuries, it's the law. Step 4. Call your insurance company. All right, now it's time for the call, the one where your insurance provider suddenly becomes your best friend. Call them as soon as possible, give them the details, and follow their instructions. Step 5. File your claim and be patient. Now, this is where the waiting game begins. Your insurance company will investigate, assess the damage, and decide on repairs or payouts. Meanwhile, you can sip on some Tim Hortons coffee and practice deep breathing. Ha ha ha. And there you have it. Making a car insurance claim in Canada isn't as scary as it sounds. Just follow these steps, keep calm, and don't try to bribe your way out of it with maple syrup. Stay safe on the roads, and if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more.
I did not know that filing a claim in Canada was quite easy. Thank you for the insight. But will making a claim increase my insurance premium?
Yes, it can, especially if you're at fault. But if you have accident forgiveness, you might be off the hook.
I have a question as well. How long do I have to file a claim?
Good question. Most insurers prefer you to report an accident within 7 days, but check your policy for specifics.
Can I still drive my car after an accident?
If it's safe and legally drivable, yes. But if it's leaking fluids or missing a bumper, please don't. Now, before you go, we want to hear from you. Drop your answers in the comments below. Have you ever had to make a car insurance claim? How was your experience? What's one thing about car insurance claims that confuses you? Let's clear it up. If you could change one thing about the insurance claims process, what would it be? Faster payouts, less paperwork, more free donuts? We'll be hanging out in the comments, so let's chat. And hey, if you have any insurance-related questions, drop them below and we might feature them in a future video. Time to grab myself a coffee. Bye! Ha 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 ha.